Hey everybody, Kyle here, and welcome back to more Subnautica. In the last part, we made a lot of progress, on our ship. We built a repair tool and repaired a lot of the functions, including our radio. And after exploring a little bit... Wait, our guy looks fit. Hello. And it kind of looks like he has a mohawk. Okay, anyway, I got distracted. But yeah, so we explored a little bit. I died because I went into a cave and got destroyed. And we got a distress signal from a pod. So we're actually going to go check that out. Now, in preparation for this trip, I did bring some food. Well, I made some food. Turns out that stuff decays in this game. I wasn't really aware of that. But, yeah, I guess that's something to keep in mind going into the future. But, yeah, so... Oh, you know what? Okay. What I want to do in this part is go to that distress signal and see if we can find those survivors. I have a feeling, just based on my... the mood that this game puts off, I don't think we're going to find any, actual people. We might find out about their fate, but I do not think that they're going to be alive. So I'm going to take... Let me see. I'm going to take the repair tool in case I can repair their thing and bring it back to me. And in the meantime, I'm trying to debate if I want to... I mean, there's still some daylight left, so I guess I should just go. But we might have to travel back in darkness, or, depending on how long this takes, I might have to get there in the dark, which is not that comforting, but yeah. I'm just going to kind of keep an eye out for things below here. Maybe I can see, places that I should come back and explore. How exactly I'll remember what those places are, I don't know. But that's just my thought. And I'll keep an eye on the surface too, because I don't know, maybe we'll see something else out here. Now, one thing that Pele told me in the comments of the first part, they did mention that there are indeed islands on this game. They didn't say how big they are, and I really don't even expect them to be very large. Ooh, there's just a giant kelp forest over here. I feel like there's something lurking in there, and I don't want to go down there. Especially not at the moment. Okay, here's their sea pod. Okay. Well, that actually did not take any time at all. So yeah, we might just end up finding islands at some point, which is really exciting to me, honestly. Okay, so we can indeed get in here. Maybe. Hello? Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's one of these guys. Can you just shove off, please? Okay. Oh, okay. If I just get in... Okay, they can't get in, which is good. Okay, there's a data box. Ooh. Okay, they had a freaking compass. And a PDA. Okay, and I think that's... Okay. I think that's all they had here. Alright. That was successful. Is there anything, outside of here that might be useful? Sea glide fragment. Okay. Well, we must have had a way more successful landing than they did, which is unfortunate, but alas. Okay, maybe we can get back to our ship before it's, really dark, and then we can check out the PDA stuff that they gave us. Oh, I really... this nighttime thing makes me really uncomfortable, and I don't really want to use my flashlight battery, so we'll just kind of keep going straight. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay, yeah, our ship is fucked. We're not gonna use that to get off the planet. I mean, so my hypothesis of how we're gonna get off here, off this planet, there might be a way to modify our pod, because it did have some kind of propulsion. Like, that's how we, like, kind of landed. Because something had to have stopped, like, the momentum and broken our fall. So maybe we can modify this thing and then get out of here. But I don't know. Okay. So there's birds in the sky. We already knew that, and I said that they look like those things in Half-Life. Alright. So let's go ahead and check out the information we got from the PDA. Yeah, so this is all stuff we've seen. Well, it's put down as new because I haven't actually looked at it before. But this is stuff that we've heard. But if we go into the databank, I haven't actually checked this out yet because I'm like, I really don't want to read too much in this playthrough. So maybe I'll just put everything up, and if you want to pause the video and read it, you're more than welcome to. But okay, let's see, blueprints. Yeah, so we can build a radiation suit, but we need to find lead. And actually, once we have our radiation suit, we can actually go explore the ship, which would not be that bad of an idea. Okay, so we have their log. Let's see.
You really think it'll carry 2 of us?
Your regular sea glide tows a mass of 80 kilograms at over 30 kilometers an hour. The power cellar rig to this one should double that.
You think there's something out there that's faster?
Oh, sure. And that's assuming it doesn't overload 3 meters from the life pod.
You're calm about this?
I'm seeing the engineering problem. If I stop seeing the maths, I'll be terrified.
Okay. So they were trying to tow something with their sea glide, which I don't know. I don't know what that means. I guess we'll find out. Okay. This is just all the creatures here. Yeah, if you want me to actually show more of the lore and stuff, like, let me know, and I will. But this is a lot, guys. I don't want to sit here and spend 20 minutes reading all of this stuff. I mean, it's really interesting. Like I said in the first or second part, like, they built this whole ecosystem for this game. And it shows that they put a lot of creativity and thought into it. And I really just don't want to read it all. So that's definitely something to do on your own time. Just like if I was going to read it all, I would do it on my own time. Okay. So now that we've checked that out, there's not really anything else going on. So I'm going to go back out and explore, I think. But I'm going to wait until morning. Okay. Unfortunately, all this food, just goes bad really quick. Oh, we can actually have more than 100 food. Well, that's good to know. We can be overstuffed. I'm assuming the same thing can happen with water. So, yeah. I'm gonna drink up this water, and then... Oh, did we get... Oh, no, we can build a... Okay. Well, I thought we actually picked up a compass, but apparently not. So maybe that'll be our next goal, so that we can kind of know where we're going. But we need copper wire, which we need copper ore. We have that, so that won't be a problem. And we need wiring kit, which for that we need silver ore. I don't know how many of either of those we have. I know we have the copper ore, yeah. But no silver. And I don't know exactly where we would even find that. So let me make... Oh, we need 4 copper ore. Okay. I see. We just have 1. Okay, so we're going to need more copper and we're going to need silver. And that's going to be our next goal. Okay. So I'm just going to go back down and explore. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I did find a little cave system that I'm interested in exploring. But my problem is I keep running into these little exploding fuckers. And they're not always, like, coming out of their thing. But it's, like, more common than I want it to be. Oh, there's a ton of quartz. Okay. That's a pretty positive thing. But, oh, come on. There's, like, no way to avoid those, too. They come at you, and it's just like, well, you could just gotta take it. Okay. This quartz will be good for glass. Now, if I could just get silver. It's titanium. We have more than enough titanium, actually. Okay. So, yeah, my goal is to really find some silver, but I'm not having much luck. I don't know if I have to go just, like, really deep for that. Okay. So my inventory's almost full already. I do have that thing that I could deploy, but I just have to remember where I leave it. And I know, knowing myself, like, I'm just gonna fucking drop it down somewhere, forget where it's at, and then just be screwed. I don't know. Okay, so I'm pretty far out from my ship. I'm about the same distance as that other Sea Glide was. And I found, like, this massive, like, rift here. And I think this is what I'm going to start exploring. But I get the willies. Like, this is large. And that means that something large could be living down here. I don't think I'm ready to really mess with that. But there's not much else for me to do other than... What is that? Grav trap fragment. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, hold on. So I think if I find another one of those, I'll be able to craft that. Oh, you know what? I bet that's something I have to be doing to unlock recipes. Crap. I haven't really been paying attention to that. Well, I guess now I know, so I'll just have to keep that in mind. But alright, here we go, into the depths. This is... Ooh. That thing wants to eat me, I would imagine. What is this? Bioreactor fragment. Okay. See? There's probably all kinds of things like that around here. And because I've been, like, neglecting those... Ooh, what is it? Okay. Okay. That's good, but I don't really know what that means for me exactly. Or even why that told me it. Ew, it's a biter. Gross. Okay, what is this? That's just metal salvage. Okay. Salvage, not savage. Alright. Yeah, this is... I mean, I'm not really making a lot of progress here because I'm just so mesmerized. Like, oh, there we go. Hell yeah. Okay, so we get that from Sandstone. Alright. That's good. That's really, really, really good. Having a compass is going to be essential to getting around, I would imagine. And then maybe we can get, like, something that just lets us move faster through the water. Okay, this is good. Anytime we find out, like, a new resource, like, that's really significant progress. Okay, that's limestone. That's not what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to try to find some more silver ore. More limestone. More limestone. Oh! Okay, and I'm getting lead too. Okay, so sandstone gives us silver and lead. That's amazing. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, there's a whole clan of those things. Okay. Sorry, I just want your resources. Alright. Thankfully, they don't get too close to the surface, but... What even are those things called? Hello? Stalkers. Let me just scan you. Oh, it's taking the fucking metal ore. Or the... whatever that is. Okay, I just want to scan you. Okay. Yeah, it's taking the like the scrap. That's interesting. Okay. Alright, I gotta get a few more things before I head back. That way we can make some stuff. Like, the sandstone is, like, on the floor, the sea floor. So I have to get really deep to get it. But I guess, like, thankfully... No, that's limestone. I don't need that. Hopefully what that ends up doing for us is then we can build... We could just build more things to get around faster. So that way I can, like, actually come back to these deeper areas and stay for more than, like, 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, I just need to get a little bit more lead and silver. I get a few more of each of those, and then I can head back. Okay, so I gave up on that outcrop. Like, I'm definitely going to come back there, because that seems to be a really bountiful place. But I'm just going to head back to my ship. Now, while I was exploring, I did get the, like, indicator of, like, the notification that you have a message waiting for you back at your ship. So we'll definitely want to check that out, because that might actually lead us to, like, another group of people, or, like, you know, where they were trying to survive, I guess. Okay, that transition was really rough on my game here. Yeah, I know that the game lags a little bit, and that really disappoints me since, like, this is a really good laptop I'm using. But I guess just because I'm recording and stuff, it's not handling it too well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some water going. I have quite a few bladderfish, and we're really low on water. So... get some of that going here. Alright. And then we'll see what we can build. Just a second.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Yeah. I don't know if I was dying or not. I mean, I did get attacked a few times, so I can't really rely on that. Now, yeah, let me show you what I did find. I did get some more cave sulfur, in case we need that. I got enough copper ore to make the wiring, so I think we have everything we'll need to make the compass at this point. And then I found 2 lead, 2 silver ore. Oh man, I got the burps. I don't know if my microphone's picking that up, but I'm sorry. So I don't know if we'll have enough to make the compass and the radiation suit, but that would be really cool if I can. So let's actually just check that out here. So the radiation chute, we need fiber mesh, which I think I actually have some of. So I think that would actually be my priority, to be honest. Oh, I have 1 fiber mesh, and I think I need 2. Let me see. Yeah, so what I'm going to do... Actually, you know what? I could do this tonight. I'm going to go get... Actually, no. I'm going to be smart. I really want to go get that fiber mesh. Basically, you get it from the creep vine sample, so you have to cut the creep vine, and then you can bring it back and make it into fiber mesh. But that's okay. We'll just come back for that. I think in the meantime, we can make the compass. So, yeah, we needed copper wire, and we needed this wiring kit, which that's going to use our all of our silver up. But as long as we didn't need that, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. So we can have ourselves a compass. That'll definitely allow us to move around more efficiently, I would say, and without getting too lost. Okay. Compass. And I think that just sits on our hood. Yeah, it does. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Okay. Wait. Sorry, I knew I just went down. So our ship is actually southeast of our thing. Okay. This is really good. And so, because what I was doing to get around, I was just looking at where I was in relation to my ship, which is not that efficient. Okay. And I can apparently get like 3 more things here. So, this is really good. Oh, you know what? I actually have an extra tank here. Yeah, I was wondering about that. That's just taking up an unnecessary thing. Right? Wait. Because that's... No, they're literally the exact same thing. But I just have it taking up space in my inventory. I don't know if I could just drop this into the ocean. Okay, why not? We don't need it. We'll just pollute the ocean. It's fine. I wouldn't have... If I didn't have to do that, I totally wouldn't have. But, you know. We'll need that. Okay. So, I guess now we just look at this message.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS, you offer to help, they don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
Damn. Okay. So, this is really... That's really kind of terrible, but, like, if we had a way to communicate to the outside, we could have, like, totally been able to communicate with them and have them pick us up. But, alas, that didn't work out, so... Alright, what I'm going to do now... I'm going to go get some creep vine, I'm going to come back, make that radiation suit, and then we can just... maybe we'll explore a little bit of the ship in the next part. Oh gosh. Am I actually even getting close to the ship? No, I didn't think... Well, I guess I kind of am. Well, I just need to find where that creep vine was, and I thought it was over this way. So, okay. I'm going to do all that, and then unless something interesting happens, like, I'll just meet you back when I have what I need. Oh, okay. So, one thing I did find, I found a beacon fragment over here. And had I freaking known that, like, you need to scan this stuff to be able to build those, like, man, I would have done this a lot sooner. Okay, now I can make a grav trap.
30 seconds.
And I can make a beacon. Like, what? I don't know if scanning this one actually does anything. But I could have been able to build those a lot sooner. Now, I don't know if those are really important things, but yeah. I'm really glad that I discovered that, because those things might come in handy. Like, I imagine the beacons, you place those down and then they mark places on your screen for you. But I don't know about the other thing I got. Okay, so now let's get ourselves a radiation suit. Oh, you know, I actually just have a beacon now. Wow. Okay, and you can put, like, your own name for it. Uses artificial gravity to attract light objects and small creatures. Hell yeah. Okay. So here's what I can do. I can make fiber mesh. And then I can make that radiation suit. Hell yes. Yes, and it's going to take a minute, but that's okay. Yes. And we just have it on. All right. So you know what that means. Next time, we're going to go into our ship. Oh, it's ooh. I'm legit excited. I was only going to record 2 parts like right now, but I think I'm going to record a third one because that's really good. Yeah, I'll get us all full up on food and water before we do that, but then yeah, we're going out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and next time we head to the Aurora. So see you then.